Hey guys, Cam here, and a lot of noise has been made about 5G since its arrival in the UK. And we wanted to go see what all the fuss was about and whether there's any real benefit right now to getting a 5G phone. So Chris and I took the 5G OnePlus 7 Pro out and about in London to go find some 5G and see where it might impact our lives. Now initially our searching was a little fruitless, showing up the usual issues that come with looking for reliable, fast signal in a highly populated city. We'd sometimes get to an area where there was some 5G signal, but it wasn't so strong, and so the phone automatically kept switching between 5G and 4G, resulting in no download activity at all. Now once we got closer to an area with good 5G, that began to change. For those in the area, St Paul's in London is a particularly good spot. Now doing a speed test side by side, we saw speeds of around 4 to 5 times faster compared to the 4G model, and on the odd occasion managed to get it as high as 10 times faster, but it was very inconsistent. Now in real daily life, where you'll notice this difference is downloading Netflix episodes as an example. Full-length episodes are downloaded within a few seconds in a strong signal area, so if you're in a rush somewhere and you need to quickly download something to watch on your travels, it's ideal. Downloading entire playlists on Spotify for offline listening also happens really quickly. Then there's the issue of buffering on videos, or in this case, no buffering at all. You can swipe to specific times in the timeline and it'll continue playing pretty much instantly. Clearly then there's a lot of potential in 5G, but we're not sure there's enough benefit right now to warrant paying the premium on a 5G capable phone. Further rollout and infrastructure is definitely needed, and future phones are likely to be thinner, smaller, and hopefully a bit cheaper too. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again soon. We're searching for 5G stuff.
But we're not, we've got it.
We haven't, we found it.
We're now on 5G, we're still on 5G.
We've got all 5Gs.
Yeah, we definitely have all of them.